Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 3, our national bird, peacock. Peacock means more. This lesson is all about peacock. It is very beautiful bird and also our national bird. इस लेसन में हम पीकॉक के बारे में, मोर के बारे में सब कुछ जानेंगे. पीकॉक जो है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत बर्ड होता है, पक्षी होता है और साथ ही ये हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी भी है. लेट्स नो मोर अबाउट इट. आइए इसके बारे में हम और भी कुछ जानते हैं. A peacock is a very lovely and beautiful bird. It is our national bird. It is a bird with a long tail. It is about 6 feet long. There are feathers on its tail which are of green and blue colors. Its feathers look like eyes. It can fly but not so high. Its neck is long and has a crest on its head. This increases its beauty more, but its legs are ugly. Still, it lives happily. It is a shy bird and loves to live in lovely places. It lives in branches and on the ground. It eats seeds, plants, insects, and even small snakes. The female bird is called peahen. It has not beautiful tail like peacock. In rainy season, when it feels dry, it spreads its feathers and dances. It looks the most beautiful when it dances. It is rare to see it dancing. When it dances, we can see that there are thousands of eyes on its tail.